Karishma J. Paul and I live in Faridabad and I just graduated from college. The one thing that I really like about baking is that it makes other people happy. So usually when I bake, I'm always baking for someone else. I'm rarely baking for myself, although I do make all my birthday cakes. That is my gift to myself. I wouldn't say visualize, but yeah, texture is very important. I don't really, even if I follow recipes, I don't go to the T. So I just try my own thing. If I feel it's right, I try it out like that. And I also tend to add a few more things to make it a bit more soft. So I'll probably add a little more milk, even though the recipe doesn't ask for it. And things like that. I check it on my own. I don't usually go by recipes. The reason that I started baking was my mom used to bake a lot initially. And then she got busy with work and everything, but obviously I always liked eating cakes. So I thought I'd just ask her how to make it. And one day when I think I was 11 years old or something, and she was sleeping and I asked her, tell me what all to do and all. So half asleep she told me, thinking I might not be doing anything, but I was, and thereon I started baking. And I was not a very great baker initially. I used to bake and it used to just turn out okay, sometimes half cooked, half baked. But my parents still allowed me to use, I used to use a cooker at that time. So they still allowed me to do that. So I used to try baking different things, cookies, cakes, cupcakes. And only 2 years back I got my first oven. Then there was no stopping me. Then I started baking. I would definitely be doing a professional course in baking, and I already started a home baking small business. I mean, I bake on orders. A lot of my friends and family started asking me to do that, so I started. But definitely in the long run, I would be owning a good bakery. But mainly I started out when I started blogging. I started this blog called Hope and Cupcakes, and I started sharing recipes. So people used to always ask me, how do you do this, how does it, how difficult is it? So I started blogging about each of my recipes and how I was able to make that particular recipe successfully in spite of all the previous failures that I've had in it. And then I decided to open a home baking business called Hope and Cupcakes, and I started it very recently. And yeah, I am able to cover costs. It's not very, I wouldn't say very profitable, but it's nice. You know, people tell you that, oh, it's so tasty, I really loved it, and it really encourages you. I think that's one of the benefits of being in such an industry that you can be. I would say whatever you want to do, you really must go ahead with it. Like, don't limit yourself. Even I started off wanting to do baking on a larger scale, and for many years I've been baking for quite a few years now, and I have improved over the years. And just don't stop. I think one of the important things is to just keep at it. And even I still sometimes, you know, miss a recipe or maybe something goes wrong, but the key is to just never stop.